Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my E92 328i single turbo. The car does run, it starts, blah blah blah. I'll probably post a clip. There, but ignore the shitty spray paint reels. It's a drift build. Right now it's fully gutted. Nothing inside. Sadly, it's an automatic, but I might swap it in the future. But I'm not gonna lie, bro. Drifting at auto, as long as you're able to stay in second gear or third, you're pretty much chilling. Shit, bro. Right now, my plans are to just lower it back to the ground, finish the intercooler piping, retune it, and then start drifting. Get on the street and get this shit done. So yeah, stay tuned. Follow my Instagram and TikTok if y'all want to see live videos or just everyday works on the car. Cause I have another BMW and some other shit I be working on. So yeah, bro. Lock in.